Yorok mapek medo nyiedhorewi ng'ano man kod mbi e masawa mar piny Kenya manyalo sewi oganda makuro kendo tudo kod dongruok mag piny owacho matimore bang' MCAs pogore paro hero manyo kelo MCAs mawuok masawa mar piny Kenya kanyakla. MCAs go koni jomoko temo nyisa chane jalo jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua to moko kuom MCAs go to sani owuok kapuoyo kendo osiro Professor Kithure Kindiki kaka jal mowinjore obedo gae mar God Kenya e weche mag siasa kod telo. Maromo MCAs 300 mawuok e kaunti za 12 nyoro mi kaunti ya Murang'a kendo kanye mane gimakore ng'ut sati.
Na tumefika sisi wote tulikuwa tumejaa hapa. Lakini ile agenda tuliitoa jana si agenda ambayo tumeikuta leo kwa meza. Kwa sababu huyu speaker kwanza wa Embu na ni rafiki yangu. Ametuzungusha hivi akatuzungusha, lakini end result anataka tuelekee pale tu mahali ya kuendorse Kithure Kindiki. Sisi kama watu wa Kirinyaga hiyo tumekataa. Hakuna mtu tuendorse sasa hivi.
It is being indicated that for MCA's welfare to be taken care of, it must go through Professor Kindiki Kithure, which is unjustified.
At the national level, we are going to use Professor Kindiki Kithure as our point man for any political and national development matters.
You cannot stop Kithure Kindiki. You can't stop him. Why? Because he is putting all the efforts. He is doing his best for this country.
Siku ya leo John Cheke in their numbers wamemuendorse kama kingpin wetu, kama spokesman wetu.
Ndiye atakuwa nyota yetu, ndiye atakuwa link ya region hii yote, link ya region ya Mount Kenya East na Mount Kenya West, na Kenya mzima mahali anatembea kufanya kazi atuwakilishe.